Let's normalize these words in your daily life. Whenever you feel anxious, instead of saying, "Oh my God, what's happening?" just say, "La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minadh dhalimin." When you are helpless and you want something to happen with you and you are desperate about something, you should say, "Rabbi inni lima anzaltu ilayya min khairin faqir." The moment you feel jealous, the moment you have bad feelings in your heart, keep reciting Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli dhanbin wa. When you are overpowered with the situation, when you are tensed, when you are super stressed and you don't know what will happen next, decide the dua of our Prophet Nuh alayhi salatu wassalam, Rabbi inni maghlubun fantasir. Whenever you have something happy in your life, good success in your life, just say, Allahumma barik li fi hadha shay aw fi hadha al-amr. Whenever you leave your house, instead of saying bye-bye, goodbye, just say, Bismillahi tawakkaltu ala Allah. And if you want to really transform your life, don't forget the salutations of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin nabil ummi wa ala alihi wa sallim taslima.